quick update. Got the new bearings installed on the crank. Crank's back in. Lined up, spins free. Of course, I had to pull these gears off in order to get the number 2 bearing out. What you do then is heat them up and they just slide right back on. Easy peasy. We already did one video, so I didn't think there would be a need to do a second video. So anyway, here's an update. Here's what's going on. I'll catch you up in a little bit. Alright, so it's another day. Trying to put another hour or two into it, so I figured I'd give you another update. I got the case torqued to the first spec. That's what I use for my case halves. Put just enough on there, just around the perimeter edge, so I just start to get just a little bit out. Anyway, that's 15 foot-pounds. And we'll go ahead and jump on up to 25. But I always put the pulley on first just to make sure it spins nice and free. It rotates all the way around nicely. If my hands weren't so oily. Time for a rag. Alright guys, bring it back in a little bit and update you some more. Alright, there you go. One case together. Went together very nice. Got everything torqued down. Oil pump in, everything still spins nice. A little bit of drag, of course, due to the oil pump being in. But it overall very well. So hopefully tomorrow evening we'll go ahead and put some head studs on it. Go ahead and get the jugs and pistons on there. Measure deck height. I already have the heads CC'd out. So we should be able to figure out compression ratio. And yeah, that'll be that. Not bad for an hour here and there. Catch you guys on the next one.